let's try this. Start with your left foot forward. You're facing your left side. You're in underhand. You're in split time. And now go big. And then try and do one swivel to overhand, one swivel to underhand, and then back to underhand and hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and swivel. Swivel back, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, swivel. Swivel back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, swivel. Swivel back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, swivel. Swivel back. Now we'll do it in 4, 3, 2, 1, swivel. Swivel back. 4, 3, 2, 1, swivel. Swivel back. And then 3, 2, 1, and swivel. Swivel back. 3, 2, 1, swivel. Swivel back. And then 2, 1, swivel. Swivel back. 2, 1, swivel. Swivel back. 2, 1, swivel. Swivel back. And then just try and go side to side and see if that helps. Maybe drill this like this, where you're small, 2, 3, 4, and big, 2, 3, 4. Then small, 2, 3, 4, and big, 2, 3, 4. Full extension with that left arm. Full extension, full extension. So we'll do what we did before, only we'll hold overhand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then swivel once to underhand and then go back to overhand. 5, 4, 3. Full extension, 2, 1. Then swivel and back to overhand. 5. There's a series of things that will be helpful. One, from a posture perspective, right now, when you're standing here like this, it looks like you're locking your knees as opposed to being soft and light. And 2, it looks like you have your stance pretty wide as opposed to, I feel like when the stance is wide, you're closer to the ground, but the pivot can be a little bit harder. Whereas if you're standing upright more, or with the feet closer together, the pivot can be a little bit easier. And your weight stays under you a little bit more readily. And then the other thing is, you're leaning forward a little, so put your weight in your heels and lift your toes, which will help you maintain it better. And then 3, I think doing this Pilates to this, back to this, without letting go of the poi like I just did, and then like this, back to this will help because you're still doing this rather than the full extension. And I think going back to the basics with the Pilates may help. My suspicion is I think this is very common, by the way, so this is not a weird thing that I'm saying here at all. Your desire is beyond your current capacity. And you see what it is, and you have flashes of moments of capacity to do it, but you don't have the consistency because you haven't probably put in enough time in the underlying drills. And I can't say how long the underlying drills take. This is not prescriptive. It's very personal. It depends on your body, your experience, your practice, your kinesthetics, your awareness. It's very much about you. You probably just need to go back to these basics. I'm not even sure we did the Pilates for the swivel. I think maybe doing this might be a helpful thing for you. And then if you notice as I'm doing this, watch how as I swivel to the left, my weight stays under me and my weight almost shifts to my right leg while I'm on this side, and then my weight shifts to my left leg, the back leg on this side, and the back leg on this side, and the back leg on this side to help keep the weight under me. One thing to look out for, I want to show you from this angle so that you can see it. So this is what I want you to do. But this is what you're doing. See how the right arm is going out to the side? Okay, you need to, and I don't know how you and your body need to do this. For me, I need to rotate my torso back here to lift, to get my arm to go all the way around on the back side, that right arm. Let's see if we can get you feeling fluid with this, and then going to this other side to underhand, and then swivel back, and then 3, 2, 1, swivel left to underhand, 3, 2, 1, swivel right, 3, 2, 1, swivel left, 3, 2, 1, swivel right, 3, 2, 1, swivel left, 3, 2, 1, swivel right. We'll do 2, 1, and 2, swivel, 1, and 2, swivel, 1, and 2, and 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 swivel. And now do singles. Look forward, go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. That's one set. So I would do 5 sets of 3. Then I would do 5 sets of 1, 2, and 1, 2. Then I would do, after I did 5 sets of 2, and then bring it down to 5 singles. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and. So I would either substitute what you're doing right now with the Pilates with that, or I would add that to it. And I think that might help you get the muscle memory. And then, of course, each practice, actually try it with the Poi. But if all you're doing is the Pilates, this would be a great addition or substitution.